Once upon a time in a small village, there was a magical garden hidden behind a mysterious gate. The gate opened into a world of vibrant colors, sweet fragrances, and enchanting creatures. Our hero, a young girl named Lily, discovered this garden and decided to explore its wonders. As Lily wandered through the garden, she stumbled upon a talking rabbit named Oliver. Oliver, with his fluffy white fur, spoke in a friendly manner, inviting Lily to join him on an adventure. Together, they ventured deeper into the garden, meeting talking flowers and singing birds along the way. In the heart of the garden, they encountered a wise old tree. The tree taught Lily some magical words that made flowers bloom and birds dance. As Lily practiced the words, her English skills began to blossom. The tree encouraged her to continue exploring the garden, using her newfound language abilities to interact with its inhabitants. Further along, Lily and Oliver encountered a wise old owl. The owl presented them with riddles that challenged Lily's English comprehension. With each correct answer, the garden sparkled with magical light. The owl praised Lily's progress, boosting her confidence in using English. Their journey led them to a hidden fountain that flowed with words instead of water. Lily realized that these words held the power to express her thoughts and feelings. As Lily dipped her hand into the fountain, she felt a surge of language knowledge, making her more comfortable with English. As the day in the enchanted garden came to an end, Lily and Oliver bid farewell to their newfound friends. Lily, now more confident in her English skills, thanked the magical creatures for their guidance. The gate slowly closed behind them, and Lily returned to her village, carrying the enchantment of the garden within her.